Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You start by choosing a safe approach. Cloud Android emulation, a remote PC emulator you control, or a jailbroken port. Each has trade-offs. Once decided, back up your iPhone and enable any necessary developer options or trust profiles. Make sure you understand risks. Then acquire the APK from a reputable source and confirm its size and architecture. This prevents wasted steps. Now, prepare the account or PC you'll use, and keep a plan for remote access or a cloud upload. Once done, upload the APK to a cloud emulator service or sideload it into a PC Android emulator you control. Start the emulation session and note the session URL or VNC address. This is how you'll reach the app from iOS. Next, on your iPhone, open Safari and connect to that web session, or use an RDP/VNC client if streaming from your PC. Make sure latency is low. If the app needs Google services, install or enable them in the emulation before launch. To finish, add a home screen shortcut to the cloud session for one-tap access and confirm the app launches reliably. When done, close the session and clear any cached APKs or temporary profiles you created. If things go wrong, a key troubleshooting step is to verify APK architecture, Android API level, and whether Google Play services or specific hardware features are required. Those are the common blockers. If connectivity is flaky, reduce streaming quality and retry. That often fixes responsiveness.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.